आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल कोरोना पीडियाट्रिक आ चुका है 7th स्टैंडर्ड के साइंस के साथ। आज का हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है मटेरियल्स वी यूज। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। द सब्सटेंस दैट हेल्प्स वाटर टू रिमूव डर्ट फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ मटेरियल्स इज कॉल्ड डिटर्जेंट। फ्लोराइड इज used in toothpaste to prevent tooth decaying. Soap is a salt of fatty acid and sodium hydroxide. Synthetic detergents can be used in hard water as well. For construction purposes, Poland cement is the most important, mostly common used cement. Name the following the substance essential for the strengthening of tooth enamel. E. Fluoride, the Latin word which means to wipe away detergent. Natural detergents come in common use: soap, nut and soap pot. The soap used for washing clothes, hard soap. Cement made by mixing volcano ash and moist lime, aqueous cement. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. What are the of cement? The important ingredients of cement are sand, aluminum oxide, lime, iron oxide and magnesium. What will happen if cement is not used in making concrete? Cement is an important ingredient in making concrete. It helps to enhance the strength of the concrete if it is added to a proper portion. The excess proportion of cement will make concrete brittle. Make a list of detergents that you use: soap, nut, soap pod, soap, washing powder, liquid soap, shampoo, bleach, ammonia, silicon acid, etc. are the cleaning agents or detergents. Answer the following questions using in 3 to 4 sentences. What should be expected from a detergent used in water liquid garment? Answered A. A colored of clothes should remain unfaded. B. They should remove yellow cast from white clothes without harming the clothes. They should be kind of our clothes like swimsuit, silk and cashmere, etc. How does the use of detergents help to clean soiled clothes? The molecules of detergents are long and the properties of its two ends are different. A molecules of detergent hold on water molecule at one end and oil at grease movement at the other end. This is how soap acts when we wash our soiled clothes. Fifth, answer the following questions in brief. What is meant by the surface activity? 3. Name 3 chemicals responsible for the surface activity. And due to the property of holding on the both oil and water, soap water spreads easily on many types of surfaces. The properties of the surfaces is spreading on the surface is called the surface activity. The chemical responsible for the surface activity is said to be surfactant. All the surfactants are widely categorized in 4 groups: aconic, non-conic, cationic and फोर्थ एफ्टेरिक. ये 4 पार्ट है जिसमें सरफेस एक्टिविटी टेक प्लेस करती है. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड, हाउ विल यू चेक with the help of soap powder whether water is hard? Take a plastic bottle, fill it half with water, add a teaspoon of soap powder, close the plastic bottle and give it a good shake. If the soap for if soap forms up, you probably don't have hard water. If it doesn't give a layer, instead of forms a milky film on the top of the bottle, then it is hard water. What is important ingredients of toothpaste and what is the function of each? The principal ingredient of toothpaste and calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide, phosphate and liquid calcium carbonate and calcium hydrogen phosphate helps to remove the dirt on the teeth and polish the teeth. Fluoride helps to prevent the tooth decay and strengthen the enamel. What are the similarities and difference between the natural ingredients and man-made ingredients? Similarities are a both cleaning of agents, cleaning, both contains chemical. Difference: a man-made detergents are synthetic while natural detergents are natural ingredients. Natural detergents do not have a harmful effect on human skin or woolen clothes. Man-made detergents may affect human skin and delicate clothes. Soap and synthetic detergent similarities: a both are made of chemical. Soap is sodium salt of fatty acid. Synthetic detergents are made from chemical obtained fat and kerosene. Difference: soap cannot be used in hard water. Synthetic detergent can be used in hard water as well as soft water. Soap is used for washing clothes and bathing. Apart from washing clothes and bathing, synthetic detergents are also used in cosmetics. Bath soap and soap for washing clothes. Similarities: both are natural or man-made, both contain chemicals. See, both are used to remove dirt and oil of leading of too low. Difference: hard soap is used for washing clothes while soft soap is used for bathing. Hard soap is sodium salt of fatty acid while soft soap is potassium salt of fatty acid. If washing soap is used for bathing, it may cause skin irritation. Explain why. Soap cannot be used in hard water. Hard water contains calcium and magnesium salts which reacts with soap to form a scrub. Insoluble scrub stings on the clothes and silk and skin, and so the cleaning capacity of the soap reduces. Hence soap cannot be used in hard water. Oil does not mix in water. However, oil and water become homogeneous if sufficient quantity of detergent is added. And so oil and water does not mix because water molecules are stronger attracted to each other. In this is same for oil. They are more attracted to their molecules. They can become homogeneous if a sufficient quantity of detergent is added. Then molecules of detergent attract the molecules of water and oil, helping them to join together and form limes. Synthetic detergents are superior to soap. Besides using a cleaning agent, synthetic detergents are used in too many types of cosmetics. Synthetic detergents cannot be used in hard water. Can be used in hard water too, which is not possible for soap. These factors make synthetic detergent more superior than soap. Often color spots are formed on the clothes during washing. It may cause due to stain, probably due to the improper rising of clothes during washing. If cleaning agents deposed on the spot and not rise off, may harm the cloth. Tobacco machinery should not be used for cleaning teeth. Tobacco is very harmful for the health. Tobacco machinery may cause oral risk, such as mouth or throat cancer, gum disease, poor healthing of oral surgeries, decaying of gums, tooth decaying etc. तो आज के लिए बस नहीं हूँ, आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब हो। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।